Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a yummy smoothie bowl. First, select your favorite frozen fruits like bananas or berries to create a wonderfully thick and creamy base. Next, add just a small amount of liquid, perhaps 1/4 cup of almond milk or water, to help the blending process. Begin blending on a low setting, slowly increasing the speed as the ingredients start to combine. To achieve that ideal thick consistency, use a tamper to push the frozen fruit down towards the blender blades. If your mixture is too thick, add more liquid very sparingly, just 1 tablespoon at a time, until it moves freely. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, ensuring it's not too thin to eat with a spoon. Now for the fun part, toppings. Arrange fresh fruits like sliced kiwi or strawberries, crunchy granola, and various nuts or seeds on top of your smoothie base. A delightful drizzle of honey, maple syrup, or your favorite nut butter adds extra flavor. For an elegant touch, you might even consider adding a few edible flowers. Your delicious smoothie bowl is ready. Serve it immediately to enjoy the best possible texture and vibrant flavors before it melts. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruit combinations and a wide variety of toppings to discover your new favorite creations. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed and energized throughout your day. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.